So in order for you to actually have a header on your web page, right, built by WordPress, what you need to do is actually install a plugin called header and footer. So you just go under plugins and search for header and footer builder for Elementor. Yeah, because I'll be using Elementor page builder. Then I activate. What you need to actually do is go under appearance, then you go where it says header, and now you'll be able to actually click where it says add new, right? Then you call your header whatever you want, let me say home, right? And then I'm going to click where it says edit with Elementor. Then I'm gonna be redirected to a different page because you know how to use Elementor, right? I'm just going to do it. Go here, which layout would you like to use? A flex box, and the kind of header which I want to use on this site, right, is kind of like logo and what home page and etc, right? So you click something like this, or we might actually choose this where the logo would be what on the other side of the screen and the text on the other side of the screen. You click on it, then now we have our container. Since we have our container, right, after installing this header plugin, you actually get some information here which you can actually drag and drop to the what, to the container. So now what we want is a site navigation menu, which I'm going to drag and drop here. Then now I've got it. Then the other thing which I want to have a logo. So you can actually use site logo, or you can actually say retina image, which you're gonna customize. Now this is the section, right, where we are going to actually customize so that it looks better than this. Then what you can do actually is you highlight over, then you click on this edit navigation menu, then you go under layout and check everything is okay. Yes, I need it to be actually aligned from the right side. On the main menu, right, now what I want to do is actually edit the typography. So I come here, then I can actually change the font size by actually decreasing the number of size maybe to a certain amount which I want, let's say 15. Then I hit publish. Then I'm going to come on the image, and I might go and select any image which I want. Let's say I can use this one, or a custom image of my own. Let's say I use my custom image so that you can see how it can be edited. So align it to the left side. Under style, you actually go and actually change the width just by moving this. Maybe I want to put it on the same width, maybe 15 or actually 10. Then I update it. Now that we updated it, right, we have to change some things in the in our dashboard. In our dashboard, under appearance, go where it says header and Elementor. Now we actually want to define where we want the header to be shown. So click on edit, then go below where it says okay, select header, right? The type of the template is a header. Then I want it to be displayed on all pages, or maybe a specific page which I want. For now, let's just say all pages. Then I can actually update. After hitting the update button, I'm going on my website and I'm going to click refresh. There we go. Now we have our header, but because the colors are not the same, we can actually leave this black. Now we actually want to edit the appearance of the menu. So I'm going to come here, right, on this edit navigation icon. I'm going to come where it says under main menu, go where it says text color. Then I'm going to put it on on black. Then I hover. Oh, as I said, I hover, I don't know. I'm actually going to change this to actually black because I just want to use black. Now I have everything updated, and I'm going to refresh again, and there you go. I've got web 1, contact page, home page, and these links work. But the thing is, we now managed to actually create what we actually want, right, on our page. The next thing which you can actually work on is making it mobile responsive. how do we make it mobile responsive? You know, you've used Elementor before. You just go on your left side where it says responsive mode, click on it, then come here on what? Mobile portrait. As you can see now, things are looking a bit fishy, but where the width is covering the whole part, we mentioned width. So since I mentioned width, right, I'm actually going to click here on my container. Now we're actually editing the containers, not the what? The actual navigation menu. So on this container, I'm going to go here and edit my width to be actually, let me put it into a percentage, right? Then I'm going to write 50% of the what? Of the screen. Then I hit update. Then I'm going to do the same thing. Click on this gray icon, click on it. Then I'm going to go and select percentages, and I'm going to write 50%. As you can see, everything has been what? Shown on this side, but these things are not even looking good. Now I actually need to edit, right? Click on it. Okay, I'm going to change the width here to be a much bigger width. Okay, maybe let's say 19 for this case. Then my image is okay. If I actually want it to be shown on to be at least close to the screen, I can actually go where it says advanced, and I can deselect this, the left side by what? 10 pixels. Now I'm going to come on this one, right? Yes, everything is okay, but this one should be aligned to the right side of the screen. So I'm going to click on the container. So if we look at our hamburger menu, right, this one is aligned to the other side, of which I don't want it. I'm going to click on the edit menu, navigation menu, go under layout. On under layout, right, I'm gonna find something like, you know, let's see, this one where it says align. I'm going to click on align right, update, and now everything is looks well. But then to actually confirm that, I'm going to go here, go on my web page, and I'm going to actually adjust the screen size so that we can actually see if it worked out for mobile responsive. I'm gonna drag in like this. Well, it shows up well. Then I click it. I've got my menu, and if you actually want to edit this menu again, it's another tutorial which is being done here. So I'm going to come here, right, go under my my menu. Then we actually need to edit everything here. Go under style, and I'm going to go where it says, okay, let me move my camera, drop, because this one is a drop down, right? I can actually change it to be something which looks better, but for this sake, I can actually click where it says, okay, where's the typography? For drop down here we have, then under drop down, I'm gonna find typography here. I'm going to click it and adjust the size of the text, right? The size of the text. Okay, maybe 20 pixels, which is nice. And the spacing depends on which kind of spacing do you want. I'm gonna put it like this. Yes, a later spacing is fine for me, and I'm going to click update. Then I'm going to actually come and check here, refresh, click here. Now it looks better. So after doing all those edits which we managed to do, right, now we actually managed to create the header for our web page. Then, as you can see, it's now applied to every page. I can mention contact page, home page, everything is there. On web, everything is there. Our header has been successfully created. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. Bye for now. Enjoy your web design journey as I'm trying to enjoy mine. Cheers.